In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete cache and cookies for a specific website in Chrome. If one website is loading incorrectly, keeping you signed in with outdated information, or just not working the way it should, clearing its cached files and cookies can often fix the problem. The good news is that you do not need to clear everything from your browser. Chrome lets you remove stored data for just one site, which is much more convenient. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots to open the main menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page where you can manage privacy, permissions, and stored browsing data. On the left-hand sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This section contains the tools related to site data, cookies, permissions, and browsing protection. After that, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome stores options for how individual websites behave and what data they're allowed to use. Next, scroll as needed and expand the relevant section, then click View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. This page gives you a more detailed look at the websites that have stored information in your browser. It's especially useful when you want to target only one site instead of removing all cookies and cache from Chrome. Now use the search bar on that page to look up the specific website you want to clear. As you type, Chrome will filter the list and show matching sites. This makes it easy to find exactly what you need, even if your browser has data stored from many different websites. Once you find the site, click the trash can icon next to it. This will delete that website's cookies and cache data from Chrome. In simple terms, you're removing the saved website data that may be causing loading issues, login glitches, or outdated content to appear. After you do this, the next time you visit that site, it may load a little more slowly at first because Chrome has to download fresh files again. You may also need to sign back in since cookies often store login sessions and site preferences. And that's it. You've successfully cleared cache and cookies for a specific website in Chrome without affecting the rest of your browsing data. This is a quick and useful troubleshooting step whenever a single site is giving you trouble.